Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Apple Music not working on iPhone. Apple Music won't play on your iPhone and you are not sure why. No matter what you try, you can't download or listen to your favorite songs. In this video I'll explain why Apple Music is not working on your iPhone and show how to fix the problem for good. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is make sure your Apple Music subscription is active. This may seem obvious, but it's an important step when figuring out why Apple Music is not working on an iPhone. It's possible that your subscription expired or that someone else with access to cancel it. To check the status of your Apple Music subscription on your iPhone, open the Settings app and then tap on the Apple ID at the top. Next, tap on Subscriptions. Here you will see the current status of your Apple Music subscription. If you have multiple subscriptions, you may have to tap on Apple Music to see the status of your account, and you are done. And the next step is close and reopen the Music app. A lot of the time when something is not working properly within an iOS app, a minor software glitch is causing the problem if Apple Music is not working on your iPhone. Closing and reopening the Music app can fix a lot of these smaller issues. First, open the app switcher. To do this, swipe up from the bottom of the screen, then swipe up the Music app up and off the top of the screen to close it, and you are done. And the next step is enable Sync Library. Next, make sure Sync Library is enabled on your iPhone. This allows you to access the all music in your library from Apple Music. Additionally, any changes you make your library will automatically be updated across all your devices. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Music, and then tap on the toggle button under Library, and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone. If Apple Music still won't work, try restarting your iPhone. This will give your iPhone a fresh start and potentially fix a minor software glitch causing the problem. For this, press and quickly release the volume up button and do the same with the down button and press the power button, and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen, and you are done. And the next step is update iTunes and your iPhone. If Apple Music is not working after you have restarted your iPhone, you may need to update iTunes and iOS. Apple releases software updates for iTunes and iPhones to improve their native services like Apple Music. Often these software updates can patch up existing software bugs that might be the reason Apple Music is not working on your device. To check for an iTunes update, go to the App Store and then search for iTunes. If it shows update option next to your app, then tap on it and update the latest version of iTunes. And if it shows open option next to your app, it means your app is up to date and there is no need to update iTunes, and you are done. Next, to update your iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, and then tap on Software Update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on Update Now and update the latest version of iOS, and you are done. The next step is troubleshooting Wi-Fi and cellular data issue. To stream songs from Apple Music, your iPhone has to connect it to Wi-Fi or cellular data. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and then tap on General, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset and then tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. The network settings will reset and your iPhone will restart. When your iPhone powers back on, the reset is complete. Open the Music app and see if Apple Music is working now, and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Apple Music not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.